The holidays are upon us. It's that magical time of year. Time to transform our homes into cozy wonderlands. Let's infuse every corner with Christmas spirit. We'll create a space filled with warmth and joy, ready to deck the halls and make this Christmas truly unforgettable. Let's get started. Think back to your favorite Christmas memories. Remember those feelings of warmth and excitement. We want to recreate that in your home this year. It's all about creating a space that reflects the joy of the season. Let's transform your room into a Christmas haven you'll love. Before we dive in, let's plan. Choosing a theme is a great starting point. Do you envision a classic Christmas with red and green? Or maybe a whimsical wonderland with silver and white? Once you have a theme, set a budget. This helps you prioritize your spending. Next, prepare your room. Clear out clutter. This creates a clean canvas for your Christmas decorations. Don't be afraid to rearrange furniture. Make space for your Christmas tree and other festive elements. Think about the flow of the room. We want to create a welcoming and inviting atmosphere. The Christmas tree is the star of the show. First, decide on the type of tree. Do you prefer a real tree with its fresh pine scent, or perhaps an artificial tree for easy assembly and reuse? Next, consider the size. Measure your ceiling height and the space where the tree will stand. Now the fun part, decorating. Start with the lights, wrap them around the tree, ensuring they're evenly distributed. Next, add your favorite ornaments. These could be family heirlooms, handmade treasures, or store-bought beauties. Finally, top your tree with a stunning topper. A star, an angel, or a festive bow adds a perfect finishing touch. Let's spread the Christmas cheer beyond the tree. Hang wreaths on your windows and doors. Choose from traditional evergreen wreaths or get creative with DIY options. String fairy lights around windows and along walls. These twinkling lights add instant warmth and magic. Create festive vignettes on shelves and tabletops. Arrange Christmas figurines, candles, and pine cones for a touch of holiday charm. Don't forget the mistletoe. Hang it strategically for a touch of holiday romance. Section 5. Cozy comfort, transforming your furniture for the holidays. Your furniture plays a key role in creating a cozy Christmas atmosphere. Drape soft plush throws over sofas and armchairs. Opt for festive colors like red, green, or winter white. Add some holiday-themed cushions for extra comfort and style. Consider swapping out everyday linens for Christmas-themed ones. A festive tablecloth instantly transforms your dining area. Use placemats and napkins in coordinating colors and patterns. These small touches add a cohesive and festive feel. Section 6. Let there be light. Creating a magical Christmas glow. Lighting is crucial for setting a magical Christmas ambience. Embrace layered lighting. Combine overhead lights with lamps, fairy lights, and candles. This creates depth and warmth. Use warm-toned bulbs for a cozy and inviting feel. Fairy lights aren't just for the tree. Drape them over furniture, mantels, and even houseplants. Candles add a touch of romance and elegance. Place them strategically around the room for a warm glow. Choose scented candles with Christmas aromas for an extra sensory treat. Section 7. DIY delights. Adding personalized touches to your Christmas decor. Infuse your personality into your Christmas decor with DIY projects. Craft your own ornaments using paper, felt, or even salt dough. Create festive garlands using popcorn, cranberries, or paper chains. These homemade touches add a unique and personal touch to your decor. Personalize your gifts with handmade gift tags and wrapping paper. Get creative with natural elements like pine cones, twigs, and berries. These make beautiful and inexpensive decorations. Remember, the most meaningful decorations are often the ones we create ourselves. Section 8. Scents of the season. Filling your home with Christmas aromas. Nothing says Christmas like the scents of the season. Fill your home with inviting aromas. Use essential oil diffusers to disperse scents like cinnamon, pine, and orange. These not only smell amazing, but also create a festive atmosphere. Simmer pots are a wonderful way to create a cozy and inviting aroma. Fill a pot with water, orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. Let it simmer on the stovetop, filling your home with delicious holiday scents. Don't forget scented candles. Choose festive scents like gingerbread, peppermint, or fir. Section 9. Maintaining the magic, keeping your Christmas haven sparkling. Once your room is transformed, it's important to keep it looking its best. Regularly dust and fluff your decorations to prevent dust buildup. Check your fairy lights periodically to ensure they're in working order. Replace any burnt-out bulbs promptly. Keep a designated spot for gifts as they arrive. This prevents clutter and keeps your space organized. Most importantly, relax and enjoy the festive ambience you've created. Your Christmas haven should be a place of joy and relaxation throughout the holiday season. Section 10. Christmas magic, every space, every style, adapting the festive spirit. No matter the size of your space or your decorating style, you can create a magical Christmas atmosphere. For small spaces, opt for a smaller tree or use alternative decorations like wall-mounted trees or festive garlands. Embrace minimalist decor with simple ornaments in neutral colors. Create a vintage Christmas with antique ornaments and nostalgic decorations. For kids' rooms, let their imaginations run wild with colorful decorations, playful themes, and handmade crafts. Section 11. Sharing the joy-spreading Christmas cheer from your transformed room. Congratulations on transforming your room into a Christmas wonderland. Now it's time to share the joy with loved ones. Host a holiday gathering, invite friends for a festive get-together, or simply bask in the warm glow of your Christmas haven with family. Capture the magic by taking photos of your beautifully decorated space. Share them on social media and inspire others to create their own Christmas wonderlands. Remember, the true spirit of Christmas lies in spreading joy, creating memories, and cherishing the moments we share with loved ones.